Today we have an outflow, an attic tent, and a drain pan.
First, we're starting off removing the old drain pan. Then we move to installing the new one. The drain pan handles any runoff from the system. Next, we're installing a new iFlow system. It's like preventative maintenance for your system. It helps keep any clogs from forming by adding this solution in the drain lines. Finally, we're adding an attic tent. This helps keep hot air seeping back into the house, thus helping reduce your energy bill and reduce the amount of time your AC unit is running to keep the house cool.
No matter what the need is, we got you covered here at Champion Nash.